In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect custom domain to Cloudflare pages. We'll start in the Cloudflare dashboard. From the home area, head to the domains section. This is where you manage the domains you want Cloudflare to protect and serve, and it's the first step to making your custom domain ready for a Cloudflare pages site. Choose the option to onboard a domain. When prompted, enter your existing domain if you already own one or register a new one. This is the custom domain you plan to show to visitors, so type it exactly as you want it to appear. After you submit it, Cloudflare will ask how you want to bring in DNS records. You'll see three paths: a quick scan that attempts to copy records from your current DNS provider, manually entering records yourself, or uploading a DNS zone file if you have one exported. For most people, the quick scan is the fastest and safest starting point because it pulls in what's already live. You can always review and adjust records afterward. Next, you may see a prompt about blocking AI training bots. This setting controls whether certain automated crawlers can access your site. You'll have options such as blocking on all pages, blocking only on host names with ads, or not blocking at all to allow crawlers. For now, choose to block on all pages. You can revisit this later in your security settings if your needs change. When you're ready, click Continue. You'll then select a plan for your domain. Cloudflare offers free, pro, business, and enterprise. The free plan is more than enough to get a custom domain working with Cloudflare pages, and it includes global CDN, DDoS protection, and basic performance features. Pro, business, and enterprise add advanced features and support, which you can consider later as your site grows. For now, pick the free plan and confirm by selecting it. At this point, your domain has been added to your Cloudflare account, your DNS records have been imported with the quick scan, and the basic security preference for AI bots is in place. Cloudflare will guide you through any remaining account-specific confirmations. With the domain onboarded, you're set up to connect it to a Cloudflare Pages project. From here, you'll be able to map this custom domain to your Pages site and serve your content over Cloudflare's network. That's it for preparing your custom domain for Cloudflare Pages. Follow these steps carefully, review any imported DNS records before going live, and you'll have a smooth path to using your own domain with your Pages application.